had a phenomenon during mortgage meltdown called buy and bail. And what that was let's say that you were living in Kahala and you knew all of your neighbors, right? And you knew that Christine over here had just took out a huge renovation, and she had just rebuilt her kitchen and added some bathrooms and did amazing landscaping. And then you heard that Christine's husband lost his job. And then you watched to see their things go away. Maybe the repo man came and pulled away their car. Maybe you saw that the contractors that came to put up the rest of those palm trees never came, or whatever the case may be. And you've been in Christine's house, you know it's a beautiful kitchen. So even though you may have a home where you owe $900,000 on that Kahala home, you see Christine's house go up for sale for $750,000. So we literally had neighbors who were going and buying their neighbors' homes at a foreclosed or short sale price, and after they moved in, they would let their own home go into foreclosure and then continue to live in their neighbor's home. Buy and bail. It was a phenomenon. FHA, which is the Federal Housing Administration, had to build legislation surrounding it because it was happening across the nation. Because as you step into a situation where home values are depressing, they generally will continue to depress.